Hey neighbor, how you doing? It's Miss C and I'm back. I hope everything is going well with you. I'm back with, guess what? A Bath and Body Works haul. I truly enjoy my house smelling good. I like to put a different smell in each room, so it's like an adventure to your nose. Every room you walk in to, there's a different smell. Some sweet, some warm, some exotic. It's really sensual. I like sensual smells. Smell is very important to me. So what I have here is 5 bodywork candles and some of their wildflower plug-ins. But first, before I show you my items that I purchased, I want to show a little DIY. Now, after you burn your candles, go ahead and clean your candle holders out and put some little scented beads in it and decorate your bathroom or your office with it. I mean, you can use these for anything. Or if you make baskets, you can put candies in here or like little gifts and wrap it up and decorate it, and that would be so cute. So this is one example. I have this one in my bathroom on one of my shelves I built. Alright, your girl is handy. Don't get it twisted. And this was another candle. I don't remember the name, but it was a good smelling candle because it still smells good. But see how cute that is? You can make all kind of gifts with these little jars. Okay, let me get right into it. I don't want this video to be too long, but I just want y'all ladies to know. Semi-annual sale, Bath and Body Works is the best time to buy candles. You know why? Because they're only $10, okay? Because any other time, they're like $24. And Missy is not paying no $24 for no candle. So, let's get right into it. The first one is the Mango Coconut Cooler. Pretty orange color. Smell like the tropics, girl. It's a nice, warm tropical scent. Not too bright. Something you can put on while you're taking your bath, having you your own personal spa day. This one right here is the Watermelon Lemonade. Makes you want to drink it. Yes, indeed. You know what this one reminds me of? Have y'all ever been to Chili's and in the summertime they have that watermelon lemonade drink? This is it all day. I'm so silly, but that's that drink all day. Okay, the next one is Golden Pineapple Lula. Y'all ever smell something so good it make your body move in all kind of ways you wouldn't expect it? That's what this candle do. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Now this is a nice bright tropical scent. This is something you would have in your kitchen on Saturday morning while you cleaning and you have some music on. This candle will make you feel all types of ways, honey. Okay, I like this one. It got the little black and white and citrus. I'm gonna save this one for last. This is another one you can put in your bathroom or it's lemon mint leaf. I usually like lemon scents in my bathroom or in my kitchen so it can have that nice fresh scent. That smells like lemon and mint. It almost reminds me of the eucalyptus spearmint candles. That is nice. Okay, next. Now, these are the plug-ins. I got 4 of these. And my first one is Beautiful Day. The reason why I bought this one is because I purchased the shower gel before. And it smelled so good. So I said, let me try it. Try it out to see if I like the wildflowers. This one is Cherry Woods. This is the one I have plugged in my living room right now. And it smells so good. When you come home from work and you open your front door and that smell hits you of that warm cherry wood, it lets you know you home. Okay, this is my stress reliever right here. This is the one I usually put in my bedroom. This is the eucalyptus spearmint. It will smell so good in the candle. I had to get the wildflower plug-ins. And last but not least, a oldie but goodie. Everybody and their mama have this scent or something if they shop at Bath and Body Works. It is the Japanese cherry blossom. I don't even have to explain this to y'all for y'all to know how it smells. Y'all know what it smells like? Everybody, almost everybody, I think, have purchased this scent before from Bath and Body Works. They didn't had it so long. Now, I wanted to let y'all know something about these candles. And this is what I found out about Bath and Body Works. They think they slick. I said it. I'm putting them on blast because I spend my money with them. And I expected them to be truthful with me. But when it comes to making money, everybody not truthful. But they remarket their stuff. Like these scents, like through the years, they have switched the color of it. And sometimes they change the glass jar in the lid, but it be the same scent. And I'm like, what? I couldn't believe that, y'all. That made me feel a hurt type of way. To try to sell me the same stuff, just repackaged it. But I don't know, that might be a good business tool or something. Maybe somebody said they didn't like the pictures on the front of the candles. I don't know. But you know how you go shopping and you find stuff that you like and you start purchasing it because you enjoy it, so you get used to the packaging and stuff. So when you go to a store, you're looking for this. Like, if I'm in love with this candle, I'm going to go look for the mango coconut cooler. And I'm going to be expecting this. But if you didn't put it in a whole new jar and it look different, of course I'm going to still find it because I'm going to look through everything. But still, it's cute. I didn't see anything wrong with the packaging, but they do that. So if y'all didn't know that, I'm just letting you know. But I love for my house to smell good. I love different perfumes, different scents. So I will be having a perfume haul coming. Not really a haul. It's going to be a perfume show and tell. How about that? Because I haven't bought any perfume recently, so I'm just going to show you my perfume collection. But I hope you enjoyed this Bath and Body Works haul, and I thank you for watching. And if you like, thumbs up the video. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let me know which one of your Bath and Body Works scents is your favorite. Thank you and have a great day.